Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. This is on-chain mode, and here is another self-tokenized real-world wallet for real-world assets. So basically you can get a lot of real-world assets that have been tokenized under the blockchain using just this wallet right here. So you can buy those assets and hold them, and then while the asset is increasing, you're gonna be seeing some increase in your funds. And also for the first timers that are registering in this app, you are gonna be entitled for 500 TX tokens. So as soon as you register, you'll be receiving 500 TX tokens. This is what is gonna be given to you, and this 500 TX token is around $2.7. So you can withdraw it or send to BitGet exchange for those of you that are new. Basically, the essence of this video is just to show you how to register and then how to complete your KYC. Alright, so that is what I'm gonna be showing you right in this video. So for you to get started, just use the link I'll be dropping at the video description. Click on it and then it's going to take you to this interface. So just go ahead and click on get started from Play Store. The app is also available on Apple Store. You can download the app from Apple Store using the link at the comment section. So you click on the link, it's going to take you here. Click on this download and it's going to take you right here. I want to download it through on Android, so I'll click on this install button right here and you give it some time to download, and after downloading it's going to open up the app. Just click on it and then you click on sign up. If you are registering for the first time, go ahead and click on sign up section right here, and then it's going to take you to where you fill in all of this information. Just go ahead and fill in your email, your password, and then confirm the password. And while you are confirming, ensure that you follow these informations. They are very, very important. Ensure that you have one character, you mix it up with a big character, a small letter, and then you combine it with some numbers. All right, and after you've combined it with numbers, this button is going to be highlighted for you. This create account is going to be highlighted for you. Just go ahead and click on create an account, and then it is going to verify. A code is going to be sent to your email and your WhatsApp. But first of all, just go back to your email. There is a code that has been sent to your email. All right, so they say that you should click on that code that was sent, like a link, a kind of a link will be sent to your email. Just go ahead to your email, minimize the app, go to your email and click on that email that was sent. Click on the link and then automatically the app is going to be verified. Your email is going to be verified. All right, so what you have to do now is this is the button that is going to be sent. All right, the app will direct you right here. That link will direct you right here. Just go ahead and click on this verify my email, and then you are good to go. Your email is going to be verified. So what you have to do now is to just insert the name that you want to be shown in the app. Also insert your last name, and also for any form of bonus, you need to insert a referral code to have the bonus. In case the bonus is still ongoing, you will need a referral code to get the bonus. So go ahead and insert the referral code at the comment section that I'm dropping at the video description for you to get that bonus. And afterwards, you click on continue, and then it's gonna verify. Now, to complete your verification, just go ahead and click on this continue right here to complete your verification. Okay, now after the wallet has been created for you, you will need to create a wallet for you to have the bonus, and that wallet you are going to be creating will also be used in case you want to start purchasing reward tokens or reward assets using this TX market wallet. So for you to verify that account, create a wallet, click on this particular place right here. Okay, you click on this create a wallet, and then you start up your KYC. It's going to take you right here, but before it takes you right here, you have to click right here. Okay, you click right here, and then you click on create a wallet, and then it's going to take you right here. Just go ahead and click on start KYC. This is where you're going to start. Click on this start KYC to start the real verification process. Now the verification is always important for you to have full access in the app. Without this verification, you cannot have full access in the app. So that's why it's always necessary to start the verification process. After clicking on it, you are going to start the verification process. Click on continue, and then it will begin the process immediately. The information you need is very simple: your government issued ID card, and then your face. You have to ensure that you grant permission on your phone. If you are using Android, you ensure you grant the permission. Go ahead and click on this grant permission while using the app, and as soon as that is done, your camera is going to be on for you to snap your government issued ID card. So you snap the back and the front, and then you upload it. Okay, after you snap the back and the front, you upload it, and then it is going to require for you to link your wallet to your account. Go ahead and click on synchronize to synchronize your account. So what you have to do now is to click on create a new wallet. Now this create a new wallet here, you can see this information you are seeing right here. This information you are seeing right here is always very important. So you copy it and save it. They are your mnemonic 24 key phrase. You save it, and then after saving it, you minimize it. All right. So you click on it, you screenshot it. Okay, you screenshot it, and then you complete a little task. Then after completing that little task, then you can now come here and fill in your information right here. All right. After filling in all your information, you click on continue, and then it is going to ask you to snap yourself. You click on get started, and then congratulations, your KYC will be verified automatically. And then now you can now have full access in the app, and all the features in the app is going to be made available for you. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. And you can also join our Telegram group to stay updated on what's happening in our ecosystem. So see you in the next video, and bye for now.